Today let's make some French toast, aka pain perdu. Hi, this is A.K.A and welcome to my kitchen. I bet you can tell by my ridiculous accent that I'm from France. Well, when I moved to Brooklyn, all I could see is French toast here, French toast there. I'm like, what's that? Until I figured out that it was our pain perdu. Well, the pain perdu literally means lost bread. So back in the days, during the Great Famine, when people couldn't afford to waste any food, even if they had just a piece of hard stale bread they couldn't normally eat, well, they're just soaking it into a mix of milk, eggs and sugar and just throw it in a pan just to make it edible again. And this is how the pain perdu was born. Ha! Look what I found, a lost bread, hot as a rock. Now hit that like button, but not as hard. All right, let's get to it.
First, I'll start by making my custard. So I drop 2 eggs in a bowl and make sure to beat them really hard to break up the eggs really nicely. Then I'll add some sugar, about half a cup, but it's really up to taste. Mix that all up, add some milk until you get like this nice and fluid texture. A bit of cinnamon. I'll keep the vanilla for later. Now I slice my bread, making sure I don't hurt myself. This is how hard the bread is. Then drop my slices into the custard and let them soak in there for like 5 minutes. Then I cut some apples because I'm going to caramelize them. So I drop some butter into the pan, throw them in there, just like this. Add some sugar to help me caramelize those apples. Voila, you want them like nice and golden. Now set them aside. Then now that my bread is ready, nice and soft, I'm gonna drop some butter and throw the slices in there, making sure to cook them nicely on each side for like 1 minute. You want a nice crunchiness on the outside. Then I'll just cover my pan for like half a minute to make sure the inside is nicely cooked. Then let's plate it. Look at this. Apples. Look at this garnish. And here's your vanilla ice cream, guys. Mint, powdered sugar to make it pretty. Et voila, beautiful pain perdu.
Alright, our pain perdu French toast is done. Oh my god, I feel like I'm back in my childhood. Ooh, and with the ice cream and the apple. Oh my god, too good to be true. Guys, if you have a lonely stale piece of bread, now you know what to do. That was it for pain perdu, aka French toast. So hit the like button and subscribe and I'll see you next week.